Let's make some Epic Acid Techno. First, let's set the tempo to something around 140 BPM and start with a punch kick from my sample pack. And after 8 bars, let's add some closed hi-hats. And some open hi-hats. After another 8 bars, let's add some claps. And some crashes. And I'll also use this clap with a lot of reverb and some delay. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from my sample pack, the House Maniac. You can get the pack using the link in the description. The pack contains more than 150 samples, which work with any house or techno genre. All the samples are high quality and it's super affordable. So if you're interested, check it out using the link in the description. Now to create the techno rumble bass, let's create a parallel channel to the kick. And add reverb with 100% width. And take down the highs. Then we need a mid bass. Let's turn this to mono. Since this is a mid bass, let's take down the lows. And saturate the rest. Now let's sidechain this to the kick using a limiter. Then let's add a sub bass. Let's sidechain this. Turn this to mono. And use EQ to remove everything except the lows. Now as the main element, we need some good 303 acid sounds. This is good, but this if we link the velocity envelope to the cutoff and mess around with the velocity of the nodes. Let's layer some other sounds to this. Now let's use shaper box to sidechain this. And use EQ to take down lows. Another thing we can do to make the acid more interesting is just automating the cutoff filter like this. Let's also add a metal sounding synth layer to texturize the track. I'll just sidechain this using shaper box. At the second half of the drop, let's add some pads to make the drop suspenseful. Let's also add some vocals. And some downlifters. So since the drop's now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start the track with the kick, the bass, and the reverb clap. After a burst, let's add the hi-hats, the synth, and the vocals. Let's also use this crash to transition into the build-up. Moving on to the build-up, let's add the acid and use a cutoff formation to introduce it. Then let's add some build-up drums from my sample pad. And some risers. Now let's just duplicate this and change things around. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.